My girlfriend.
Okay. Okay. Get the fuck.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another. I'm inside. I forgot. Welcome back to another EVS vlog. My name is Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Join the EVS crew. It wouldn't be a work day without Tesla, so we got this blue Tesla in. We're doing Ceralux 33 on all the sides and the back window. Ceralux is like the little brother to PhotoSync. Blocks an insane amount of heat. We got a lot of things going on today, so let's get the day started. You've seen the front spoiler on our Model 3. We now have the side skirts installed, so let me show you that. So you guys saw this already, right? Looks super good, super clean. Look at that satin guard, that matte satin translucent white. Oh, it looks so good. We got the Vorsteiner 109s. I know, we need to clean the car. Don't worry, I got it. I'm gonna do it, we're gonna do it. But I just wanna show you because I'm so excited. Look how it looks, guys. That is a statement. I love the curve right there. It's nice. When it goes out, it creates that fin, and you know how I like my fins. The kit is coming along. It's just taking some time. They're still being produced.
What the kind of dumb question, man? You know what? Hey, well, you.
Paul, we gotta talk about this. Why don't you like me? You like Tyler. Tyler brings the camera to you. Is it because he's white?
Yeah. That's why I don't like you. You ask dumb ass question.
Hey, I made time to tint your Mini Cooper. You didn't even show up.
Oh, I forgot the whole thing.
You were like, hey, why don't you ever tint my car?
Sorry,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
you
I made time.
I completely forgot.
My girlfriend.
Okay. Okay. Get the fuck.
You don't love your girlfriend, that's what it is. Bye, Paul. So this is a Vossen forged wheel. This is a custom made to order wheel. I want to show you guys because, well, I mean, look at the finish, guys. It's freaking sick. It's white. Gloss white wheel. I mean, how often do you guys see a white wheel? And everyone keeps buying gloss black, matte black. Point is, CG209T is the design of the wheel. This is a forged wheel, so what that means is you can get this and you can custom make it to fit your car, whatever your car may be. These are all made to order. It's a 7-spoke wheel, but it's twisted, as you can see. When you actually get this wheel, you don't just get a wheel that's twisted one direction. Each corner of your car will actually have it rotating the right way. This would be a passenger front wheel, right? Because it's rotating this way, right? But on the driver's side, it will rotate the corresponding way. When you're driving, your wheels are all rotating forward. There's a lot of wheel companies out there. What they'll do is they'll do a directional wheel like this, but they'll have all 4 wheels go the same direction. Like, for example, all go left or all go right. So when you put them on your car, 2 of the wheels will be going the opposite direction and 2 will be going the other direction. It looks ridiculous. That's one of the perks of going with a custom forged wheel like this. Vossen makes sure that all your wheels are going the same direction. So let's get a little closer up of the wheel. As you can see, this is a gloss white wheel, pure gloss white. No brush, no polish, just simply clean white. On the bottom here, you have forged 6061 T6, which is the material that the wheel's made out of, made in the USA, because everything is made here in America. The standard Vossen cap with the red V. This is a one-piece monoblock wheel, so what that means is this whole wheel is machined out of 1 block of aluminum. There's not a secondary piece. It's all one solid piece, which is really nice and clean. So this is one of my favorite, if not my favorite feature when you get Vossen forged wheels. So a lot of companies, what they'll do is on the back of the wheel, they'll engrave the specs of the wheel by hand. But look what Vossen does. They don't just write it in with a pen, or they don't just kind of like do this like little handwritten engraving where it looks kind of messy. This is what they do. Check this out. They actually engrave it on the whole outer rim. It is so clean. I've never seen another company do this. So right here you see Vossen Forged CG series, which is the brand made in Miami. This is upside down, but this is engineered for display use only. Typically here what they'll do is they'll say engineered for the year, make, model of your car, so it's really unique. And of course the specs of the wheels. And for a little bit extra money, you can actually have engraved something custom for you back here. Like if you want to put your name or a certain message, they can do that for you, which is really cool. There's a reason you don't see this finish on a lot of cars, is because, well, quite frankly, it looks amazing when it's clean like this, but when you're actually driving it doesn't stay looking like this for very long. This is a great show car color. I mean, this thing's gonna turn heads, especially with the right color car. You can really have a clean setup. So what I recommend to all my clients is if you get a white color wheel like this, definitely recommend you ceramic coat it, because what that will do is it'll make it easier to clean and to stay clean. Water, dirt, grime, brake dust will be a lot easier to take off when the time comes, like when you're washing your car. Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
Dustin was probably a Claymore. Like he was probably the guy. Dustin was probably the guy planting all the Claymores in the ground. Just like, hey, got him now.
Place the Claymore.
That's what Dustin was doing. He was like kind of squatting from place to place.
Rollo, if you're watching this, you've been replaced.
Dustin, do you have any comment on that? Were you a Claymore World War II?
Not a Claymore, but we were trained to use them.
Are there two like red laser lights that come out?
Place the Claymore.
No.
Oh wait, so that's not real.
No, that's the laser. The laser thing is funny.
Wait, can I see this? Okay, you know how in Call of Duty when you plant the Claymore, it goes. Does it even make that sound?
No, it just blows up.
In real life, if you plant a Claymore, and you were to literally step foot right in front of it, right after you plant it, you will die.
No, no.
Did you ever use a Semtex, the one that stick to things, like the walls, like so they don't bounce? Did you guys have kill streaks? Like when you killed like one person?
We have the advantage.
Did you get to call in things? You can call in like UAVs. Hey, Commander, I just killed like 5 people. Can I call in UAV? I kind of have a grip on things.
UAV standing by.
I kind of have a grip on things.
No joke. And then all of a sudden, when we got there, UAVs were a thing.
Did you have UAV jammers? Let's talk about perks. How did that work?
What? Perks? What?
This is hilarious.
That's crazy, Dustin. You were in the Call of Duty. You answered the Call of Duty. So we have a 720S in today. What we're doing is a black view install on this. So that way the client can have an eye facing forward and facing behind him in case anything were to happen, like car accidents, vandalism, break-ins, things like that. You can see, so it's nice. But I like the color. It's sick. It's like a nice silvery gray color. It's pretty cool. Boom, black view is done on the McLaren. I'm gonna show you what the cameras look like from the outside because I do get people asking me like, hey, if I get a dash camera, are people gonna notice it? It's gonna be very obvious, so let me show you. So the front camera is right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's really not that noticeable, especially since the top portion of most cars' front windshields is pretty much like a gradient where it goes pretty much pitch black. You really can't tell. So it's really not that obvious, especially if you turn off all the lights too. You really can't see where it's at either. And here's the back camera view, I guess you can say. Again, if you don't know what you're looking for, you're not gonna find it. The back camera is right up top here, so it's pretty inconspicuous. No one's really gonna notice it unless they know what to look for, but then again, it's so small that it's so easy to just skip over. What do you think? Did we do good? Look at it, it's freaking crazy. I knew the color was gonna be crazy in the sun. It just looks so good. Satin Red Model 3 completely wrapped. The color is perfect, I love it. And as you guys can see, we put the spoiler back on for the client, and we had the letters changed to Tesla. Here are some close-up shots of just the vinyl, just so you guys can see the quality of the work. It looks fantastic. Mirror came out amazing. Edges all nicely tucked underneath the chrome trim, so nothing is showing. And this is what the one-piece trunk looks like as the finished product. So again, from here all the way to the bottom here is all one piece. Super clean. Someone didn't know all the factory colors from Tesla. They would surely think that this came from Tesla themselves. I mean, I'm really happy with the work we put out on this one. It looks really good. It's a whole new change, going from black to red. I mean, I hope he's happy with this one. This is crazy cool. So not only did we do the wrap on the outside, we also did the wrap on the inside. So as you guys know, the center console used to be gloss black. However, we have now wrapped it in a brushed gloss black or brushed metallic black. It's really cool. If I get close up, you guys can see all the texture and the finish of the vinyl. It's really cool. It's almost like a brushed aluminum in black, so you get like the little brushed aluminum lines. You can feel it too. It's not just like a print or anything like that. Like you guys should feel the lines, and it's black, so it's super clean. It overall makes the car look modern and sophisticated. This is actually the most popular option for us. It looks great with the white. It also looks good too if you have the wood trim. It works just well. And then I'll show you the edges here. So this edge is wrapped. Same with this edge here. We even wrapped this piece here just to kind of keep things congruent, I guess you can say. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Join the... Actually, do you want to do it? Do it like. Join the EVS crew. Yeah, fist it first. Yeah, fist it. Okay. Yo, we want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info in the description down below. Let us know what you want, what you need. Where you going? Let us know what you want, what you need. We'll take care of you because you're now part of the EVS crew. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.